Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the week ahead analysis. I'm just going to go through the strength and weakness of the currencies from last week and what we could potentially expect to see going into this week. So first of all, let's start off with this strength table, and what you'll notice is a significant drop in the strength of the US dollar, and we've spoke about this for quite some time now, looking for this potential downside to start to form. And now that we have started to see this happen, we can now start to look for some potential trading opportunities. And what's interesting as well is that we've got the Aussie at a -5, so it's still weakening slightly, but to see the potential here could be that the Aussie is in a reversal situation, and if the dollar's getting weaker, we could potentially see some Aussie dollar upside. Alternatively as well, we have the yen, which is looking like it's getting a little bit weaker at the moment, so there could be some opportunities to sell the yen going into next week. But the stronger currencies of the week have been the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc, and the Swiss franc against the US dollar is looking pretty decent if we look at it from a trend trading point of view. So we're going to take a look at that market in this week ahead analysis. So let's jump straight in, and we can see here the dollar index, nothing's changed from our analysis. We broke out of this channel last week. If we're going to expect some downside, or if we're going to expect a weekly move down, then we've got to expect some lower highs and lower lows to come and form within this potential move. So what I'm going to be particularly looking for is the market to form a lower high, and that could come back up at this previous structure area here. So you can see that the market found a little bit of support just in there with this nice little bullish pin candle. We've then rolled over. So what I want to be seeing is some low ranging bullish candlesticks towards this point, and then if we start seeing some bearish price action, we could look for those shorts to continue here on the US dollar. Now what that would look like on Euro US dollar is a nice little pull back down towards this recent trend line resistance. And again, if we start finding a little bit of support or resistance, sorry, on that dollar index, we can start looking for low ranging bullish candlesticks here on Euro dollar for a long up towards these previous structural highs first, and then the key 1.2 level. Going on to pound then. So pound had a great week last week. You started to see a bit of a bearish reversal on Friday. It is the end of the month, so we are starting to see the potential market taking some profits here, or at least starting to pull back on a typical Friday move. Now what I've done here is I've fibbed up the last week's price action, and what we could anticipate is maybe a retest of the 50%. However, what I'm going to be looking for here is a higher low to form. I think that looking at this weekly time frame, we can definitely see some upside from this, a nice bullish weekly candlestick. I think what the important thing to do is just identify where pound could potentially find a little bit of support, whether it be back down at this area here around about 1.38. If it does, again, just keep watching those daily candlestick closes. If you start to see low ranging candlesticks, like these ones over here, for instance, anything like that to suggest that the market is slowing down into this support, then there could be some long opportunities to come out of pound going into next week. The other chart that I like then is dollar Swiss. This market looks really nice from a trend trade point of view. We can see that we have a really nice double top move, retest of that, an extension down. We're now coming and retesting this previous structure area here. So what I'm anticipating is a bit of a move back up, maybe into these previous structure lows, and a continuation of this downtrend into the previous structure lows again, or these structure lows that's here at the moment. With the Swiss franc getting stronger, dollar getting weaker, this could be a market to continue to look for that downside to happen on, especially if we get that pullback into those lows. So I'm going to leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the video analysis. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to be and hit that notification bell to be notified when a new video is updated. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a great weekend, and I'll speak to you in the next one.